Dear all, my name is Vivek Agarwal. Let's start our SAP FICO first topic, which is about SAP System Navigation. This is SAP System login screen. Just double click on S4HANA tab and the screen is open. Now click and put the client name. Client has been explained in my demo session in the detail. You can find over there. Now user ID and password. Logon language EN. EN means English. Press enter now. Now we can see SAP Easy Access screen. Basically, SAP has two different screens. First is SAP Easy Access screen. SAP Easy Access screen is used by the end users, or we can say by the businesses. In this screen, business users or end users post the documents like invoice posting, payment posting, and different type of reports can be generated by this screen. Our second screen is SAP IMG screen. Let me show you that screen. On the command bar, this is called command bar or command field. Here we need to put the T code SPRO in order to access the SAP IMG screen. T code means the transaction code in SAP to perform different transactions. This is the shortcut method. Just put SPRO and press enter. Now click on SAP reference IMG. Now we can see display IMG screen. IMG screen is used basically by the consultants for implementation, configuration, enhancement, and integration. Mainly, all the configuration is being done here by the various consultants of their respective models, like financial accounting, controlling module, like sales and distribution module, material management module, quality management module, and so on. Now come to our next topic. It is screens. New session is our next topic. New session means a new screen. This is new GUI window. We can click here and we can generate new windows. Up to new GUI window, 6 screen can be open in one time and can be used in one time by the consultants based on their requirement. Just click on here. Now you can see new window has been opened and SAP Easy Access screen is being appearing here. Our next topic is show T code in both the screens, in SAP Easy Access screen and in IMG screen. First, let me show you the T codes in SAP Easy Access screen. Just go to the accounting node, then financial accounting node, then general ledger node, then document entry node. Here, this is the T code. You can see these are the T codes. If you don't want to appear in the system, then just go to the extras, then go to the settings, and click on display and click here display technical names and just press enter. Now go again accounting, financial accounting, then general ledger, then document entry. You can see here there is no T code is being appearing here. Now if you want again, you can go in the menu bar extras, then settings, then click display technical names, click continue. Now you can see here accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. This is the T code for transaction entries. Now let's understand how we can see the T codes in IMG screen. So in IMG screen, just go to the SPRO to access the IMG screen. SPRO in the command bar, press enter, then press SAP reference IMG. This is the screen, IMG screen. Now click on the enterprise structure node, then definition node, then financial accounting node. Now you can see here there is no T code is appearing. You want the T code, technical name of the transactions. Go to the top menu. In additional information, click here. Again additional information, click here. Then go display key. Then go to IMG activity and just click on here. Now you can see here OX15, last four digit is the T code of this transaction. Let me show you. Just click on define company. This screen is appearing. Now go back. We will put OX15 on the command bar and let's see the same screen is open or not. Just go to new GUI window and click here for new session. On the new session, we will put OX15 and press enter. Now you can see the same screen has been appearing here. Let's go back. And this was our first class. Thank you.